Okay, so if you just follow, if you follow this lab manual, this title of this lab manual is basic RIP configuration. You also can download this lab manual from our class website. And I finished task 1, and I skipped task 2, and I finished 3. So we are about to do task number 4, which is configuring a RIP protocol on R1, R2, and R3. So let's just go to R3. Just go to R1. R1, right? And then to enable the RIP, you type router. Then what? I have to type network. Because router 1 has a 2 directly connected network, which is 1.0 and 2.0. That's why I have to type 192.168.1.0 network 192.168.2.0. And then for R2, let's go to R2. And RIP version 1. And since router 2 has a 3 directed connected network, I need to type 3 network command, network. So let's go 192.168.2.0. This is the first directly connected network. Next one is second directly connected network, which is 192.168.3.0. Third directly connected network is 192.168.4.0. Yes, I'm done with the router 2. Let's go to R3. Configuration mode. I forgot to change the host names. And then enable a RIP protocol on R3. And since R3 has 2 directly connected networks, this network command now, task 5 is verify the RIP protocol. So go back to R1. Let's just go to R1. It'll take some time to converge. It takes some time for this routing table to converge. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Yes. Now, previously it shows only 2 routing, 2 routes, right? Based on this R means is RIP. Now, if you just wait, let's say 10 or 20 more seconds, it shows the last one, which is 50. This last line has been just updated. If you look at the 192.168.5.0, previously really did not appear in this router table. But after waiting for, let's say, 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, I can see the third in the routing table. So basically, R means the RIP. So to get into to get to this 5.0 network from R1, it takes 2 hops. So this 5.0 network is 2 hops away from R1, and then it has to go through this interface, which is a serial 0. Okay, and then let's go to R2, go to the same thing. Yes, basically the 1 and 5 are remote network, and R means a RIP. From R2 to get to 1.0 network, it takes 1 hop. So 1.0 is 1 hop away. It's 1 hop away from R2. Same concept is applied to 5.0. Go to R3. It's the same thing. So this is just like R1. Then command that I want to try is for any router, type show IP. So please just read this explanation on this show IP protocols. Basically, this explanations. So this this explanation basically talk about this command show IP protocols. Okay, so that's the end of today's lecture on RIP version 1, like how to configure RIP version 1 on R1, R2, and R3. So see you on Wednesday. Okay, so let me finish the lecture. And by the way, you must configure this version 1 on R1, R2, and R3. So next time when I see you, I'm going to start scenario B. Okay, so we're done with the scenario A. The next time I'm going to teach you the scenario B, which is running RIP version 1 with the subnet and between the classes network. So next class, we'll talk about a scenario B. Okay, so please complete the scenario A before we meet the next time. So that's scenario A, which is running RIP version 1 and classical network. Okay, thank you.